What truly makes us conscious? This profound question has puzzled thinkers for millennia. Is our mind merely the intricate dance of neurons within the brain? Or is there something more, perhaps a soul, that transcends physical matter? Today, we delve into the groundbreaking work of philosopher David Chalmers and his famous hard problem of consciousness. Chalmers argues that while science excels at explaining brain functions, it struggles to account for the subjective, inner experience of being. Chalmers distinguishes between what he calls the easy problems and the hard problem of consciousness. The easy problems are those that can be explained by computational or neural mechanisms. These include abilities like discriminating stimuli, integrating information, or reporting mental states. While complex, these are easy because they relate to observable behaviors and functional capacities. They are about what the brain does. The hard problem, however, asks why any of this processing should be accompanied by subjective experience. Why does it feel like something to be us? To address this explanatory gap, Chalmers proposes a concept he calls naturalistic dualism. He suggests that consciousness might be a fundamental feature of reality, much like space, time, or mass. It wouldn't be reducible to physical properties as we currently understand them. This isn't a return to traditional substance dualism, where mind and body are entirely separate entities. Instead, Chalmers posits that consciousness is a natural property, but one that cannot be fully explained by current physical theories. It's part of the natural world, yet fundamental in its own right. Chalmers' ideas resonate with age-old questions about the nature of the soul. If consciousness is a fundamental, non-reducible aspect of reality, it reopens the door to considering aspects of mind that go beyond mere brain activity. While not explicitly endorsing a spiritual soul, his framework allows for a deeper, more mysterious understanding of subjective experience. It challenges the purely materialistic view that consciousness is simply an emergent property of complex neural networks. This perspective invites us to reconsider what it means to be a conscious being, bridging ancient philosophical inquiries with modern scientific thought. One of Chalmers' most compelling thought experiments involves the concept of a philosophical zombie. Imagine a being that is physically identical to a human in every way, with the same brain structure, behaviors, and responses. Yet, this zombie lacks any inner subjective experience. It has no what it's like to be it. If such a zombie is conceivable, Chalmers argues, then consciousness must be something over and above the physical. If two physically identical systems can exist, one with experience and one without, then experience cannot be purely physical. This thought experiment powerfully highlights the unique challenge of the hard problem. The hard problem of consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries in science and philosophy. David Chalmers' work provides a crucial framework for understanding why consciousness is so difficult to explain. It pushes us to consider whether our current scientific paradigms are sufficient to grasp the full nature of subjective experience. Whether you lean towards a purely physical explanation or find Chalmers' arguments compelling, exploring the hard problem deepens our appreciation for the complexity of the mind. It reminds us that the most fundamental questions about existence often lie at the intersection of science, philosophy, and our own lived experience. Subscribe now for the latest updates on science and philosophy.